Ever wonder why, no matter how much you earn, your bank balance still feels empty? You're not alone. Most people don't fail because they don't make enough money. They fail because they never control it. Let's be honest, if your money vanishes the moment your paycheck hits, that's not bad luck, that's a broken system. And here's the truth, no one told you in school. Wealth isn't built by earning more, it's built by managing better. That's where the 503020 rule comes in, the simplest money system that can quietly change your financial life. Sounds boring, maybe, but you know what's even more boring? Checking your account and seeing nothing. Stay with me, because once you get this, you'll never look at your paycheck the same way again. Here's how it works: 50 for needs, 30 for wants, and 20 for savings or investments. That's it. 3 numbers that can build your financial freedom. 50 goes to your needs: rent, groceries, bills, essentials. If this part is already over 50, that's your first red flag. Your lifestyle is costing you your future. 30 is for wants, fun money. Yes, you can still buy that iced coffee or go out on weekends, but here's the catch: do it consciously. If your happiness depends on swiping your card, you're not in control, your impulses are. And 20, this is where wealth begins: savings, debt repayment, and investing. Think of this as paying your future self, because the truth is, if you don't pay your future self today, your future self will pay the price tomorrow. Here's where it gets powerful. Once you start following this rule, money stops being a mystery. You'll know exactly where every dollar goes, and more importantly, where it shouldn't. And here's the part most people miss: this rule isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. The freedom to say yes to what matters and no to what doesn't. Because when your money works in balance, so does your life. And the moment you hit that first milestone, maybe your first 10,000 saved, you'll realize something incredible. You don't work for money anymore. Your money starts working for you. Want to know how to make that happen faster? Click the video on your screen right now where I'll show you how to turn 10,000 into 100,000 using the power of compounding. Because managing your money is step 1. Growing it is where the real wealth begins.